In front of me is HOTWAV W11 and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by launching messages and selecting or creating a chat. Then click on this icon of a camera and the photo at the bottom left corner and tap on the photo that you wish to add. If you can't find any of your photos that you are interested in over here, hit Folders and look for them in your Photos app. Then to attach one, tap on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!